Meaning of face value.
Face value.
Face value.
Face value.
Face value. Face value refers to the nominal or stated value of a financial instrument, such as a bond or a currency. It represents the original selling price of the instrument and the amount that will be paid at maturity, disregarding any changes in the market value or interest rates. For example, a $100 bond with a face value of $100 will mature at a value of $100, regardless of whether it was bought for more or less than that amount. Face value is important for calculating yields and determining the worth of investments at maturity.